So they're the three major things. And then by doing that, what happens is then it enables you to get out of the way. So you can be that clean vessel, that clean channel, so you can have that clean, clear information to share with people as a medical intuitive. So someone has asked, what makes a good medical intuitive? So for me, a good medical intuitive is someone that's constantly focusing on healing themselves, so leading by example. Yeah, because the thing is, to open up more to your intuitive capabilities and abilities, you need to open up and cleanse more of your body and more of your energetic fields, right? And particularly on an energetic basis, which is done through food and through energy work as well, you don't be clearing your energy channels in your body, right? So energy channels, people refer to as meridians or mama points in different, cultures and traditional cultures. But for me, I'll call them energy channels. And the reason why they're called energy channels is like when people refer to channeling, right? A lot of people say, I'm channeling, a medium's channeling, a psychic's channeling. And all that means is they're channeling, they're connecting into, let's say, the cosmic or spirit radio station to be able to get the information. Now, to be able to get more information, connecting to more information and more radio stations in the spirit world, in the unified field of cosmos, you need to have open channels within inside yourself, so there's more channels that can be open, that can be connected into. Yeah, and that's what channeling is. It's when certain information, intelligence is coming through from the other world, coming through your body, and then being expressed however you express it. But if you want to open up to more dimensions, you want to open up to more wisdom, more intelligence, you need to be healing yourself, and you need to be opening up your channels in your body, which people refer to as meridians and mama points, and in ancient cultures. And we do that through not just energy work, we do that through the foods that we put in our body. Yeah. So to first step to what makes a good medical intuitive is someone that's constantly healing themselves. Second step is someone that's constantly trusting their abilities. Now, the best way to trust your abilities is to use your abilities, right? You've got to go out there and use them, because the more you use them, the more validation and feedback you get, which means the more that you can trust your abilities. Yeah. So first you got to heal yourself to the point that you can trust yourself. And when you're trusting, because when you heal yourself, right, what happens is then you're not projecting your own crap on other people. You've cleared your stuff, so you're actually getting clean channels, clean information coming through for that other person, which means that you know that it's clean and you know you can trust it. And you practice and practice and practice, which means that then you get validation, you get feedback back, which opens you up to trusting more. The third one is clarifying what you're getting from that extra sensory input. So what I mean by clarifying is constantly learning, right? Constantly learning from the spirit world. So when you're healing, when you're trusting yourself and you're clarifying, it means you're connecting to that spirit world more, so you're learning more from the spirit world, but also learning from the physical world, right? Because like for my instance, I had guidance from spirit to go and do Ayurvedic medicine, right? And I'll learn a lot of physical aspects of things through Ayurvedic medicine, yeah? So what makes a great medical intuitive is someone who's constantly healing themselves, constantly trusting their abilities and their gifts and practicing and doing it and doing it and doing it and doing it more. And then they're clarifying and going out and learning more from the spirit world and from physical aspects and studies and courses and things like that as well, so that they can enhance their abilities and enhance who they are. And so they're the three major things. And then by doing that, what happens is then it enables you to get out of the way. So you can be that clean vessel, that clean channel, so you can have that clean, clear information to share with people as a medical intuitive. Yeah. So those are the three things that make it good medical intuitive, which then enables you to get out of the way. And then if we go a little bit deeper, for me, what makes a great medical intuitive is someone that can understand physical aspects of the body, the physical anatomy, and the energetic aspects of anatomy. Yeah. You need to understand both because you need to be simultaneously working on both. Just working on energy and not the body isn't going to help anyone. Just working on the body and not the energy isn't going to help anyone. You need to be working on both. Yeah. So that's what makes a great medical intuitive.